Chris McWilliams, ESC Home Mortgage, bringing you This Week in Mortgage. This week, we want to talk about pre-approvals. So we're getting into, families thinking about buying this spring, where a lot of families will start thinking about pre-approval. And we're seeing big challenges with pre-approvals now. So a couple of things. A lot of families just wait. They don't want to do their pre-approval until they find a home that they love. So then that makes things in a short time frame. High quality pre-approvals, pre-underwritten pre-approvals is what that is. Takes a little bit longer. It can take, it's a dedicated 2 hours, an hour from the borrower, an hour from a good quality loan officer. And so then that's an issue, kind of timing, if you need to make an offer fast on nights or weekends. So we got to think about that. Additionally, lenders have been struggling on a couple of fronts with pre-approvals. So over the past 1 to 2 years, more pre-approvals have not closed than ever. So we're spending a lot of time and a lot of money on pre-approvals that aren't closing. That's not a scenario in which we'll continue. Pre-approvals, additionally, credit reports were $40 or so. Most lenders just, did that as a cost of doing business and charged clients at the end. But anyone who doesn't close, that's lost money and lost revenue. And then now credit reports went up last year and they went up this year. So now credit reports are somewhere between, $90 to $150 for a family. It's to a point now to where it's really difficult for lenders to not charge for credit reports up front. Soft credit checks were a little bit more affordable. Now they've raised those to be the same price as hard credit checks this year. So there's going to be changes for requirements on credit reports. It'll be interesting to see how that shakes out as the year comes along. So think about pre-approvals, think about how we can do it a little bit better, how we can be more flexible but advantageous. We certainly want to make sure it's still a quality pre-approval because that is critical to making sure that the buyer closes, right? You never want to have a pre-approval letter that doesn't close. That's the worst thing that can happen from a lending perspective. So please reach out, let me know what you think about pre-approvals, how we can be a little bit better at it as we get into the spring market. Hope you have a great snowy weekend. Thanks, friends. Bye-bye.